Can I start? Hello, Professor and the fellow classmates. Today we are going to present our presentation on product life cycle. We three team members. So thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our presentation. So next, starting from the product life cycle and marketing strategy, OpenAI, it focuses on OpenAI evolution across four product life cycle stages, which are very crucial. And it also helps to analyzes the marketing objectives and strategies and highlights ChatGPT, API, and enterprise products. It also compares strategies from launch to maturity. Next. So talking about the second slide, that is understanding the product life cycle, that is very crucial. So first of all, the product life cycle is a business concept that describes the stages a product goes through from its introduction into the market, so to an eventual decline and removal. The first stage is introduction stage, in which the sales are low and the product is new and market awareness is also very less, and the costs are very high in this introduction stage. The competition is also limited and not existed. The second stage is growth stage, in which the sales and profits they increment rapidly as the commodity gains market acceptance, and the costs are also decreased due to economies of scale. The competition begins to enter the market and the profits also rise and peak. Talking about the third stage, that is maturity. So in this stage, the sales growth slows and eventually the market becomes saturated. Talking about the costs, they decrease in the maturity stage and the profits rise. The last one stage is decline stage, in which the sales and profit they begin to fall due to market saturation and also changing customer preferences and the new technology. The companies they can reduce the costs and marketing efforts. So overall, the market product cycle stage is very crucial, as it helps to allow a company to anticipate the market shifts and competitor moves. It also helps to invest in capital, labor, and the forecasting. This product cycle stage also helps in doing the in forecasting the future sales and the what are the profits that can help to better finance the financial planning for the company. Next one, please. Talking about the first stage, that is introduction stage, Open AI from 2015 to 2020. Its main motive is to establish OpenAI as a trusted worldwide leader in artificial intelligence by fostering safe and transparent innovation and also showing research excellency. Moreover, it also helps to engage developers and collaborators to advance in the generative AI. Talking about its marketing strategy, the first one is open access tools, where it launches free tools like OpenAI Gym and earlier GPT models so that they can promote exploration and community development. In the second, that is thought leadership, publishing research papers, benchmarks, projects so that they can build academic and industry credibility. Strategic partnerships, it collaborates with universities and AIs to establish technical leadership. And the last one is media and PR approach. So it also does conferences and online education to generate public interest and awareness.
Between 2022 and 2024, OpenAI entered the growth stage. It includes global expansion of ChatGPT and API. The graph shows two key dimensions of this growth: a dramatic increase in ChatGPT users and a parallel surge in API revenue. In 2022, ChatGPT launched with only a small use base, but its freemium model and adoption strategy result in rapid scaling. By 2023, it reaches over 100 million users. Also, the OpenAI API evolved into a major commercial product. Enterprises and developers began integrating AI into their applications. This drove API revenue from under 100 million to 2022 to over 1 billion by 2024. Strategically, this stage focused on accessibility and ecosystem expansion. It provides developers with APIs, documentations, and SDKs to encourage innovation. Besides, it builds strategic partnerships with major tech firms and educational institutions. Overall, this growth stage established OpenAI not only as a research leader but also as a scalable business platform, as a foundation for continued expansion in the years ahead. As OpenAI enters the maturity stage beginning in 2025, the company's focus shifts from rapid use expansion to sustainable growth. The graph highlights two key dimensions: the stable increase in enterprise clients and the continuous rise in overall revenue. Between 2025 and 2027, to predict clients are expected to grow four times from around 10,000 to over 50,000. This stage is characterized by a defend and expand strategy. OpenAI aims to solidify its market leadership in AI technology while expanding into new international markets with localized compliance and services. By continuously using tiered pricing models and enterprise-grade solutions, it will continuously grow to global corporations. Moreover, OpenAI places a strong emphasis on trust and responsible AI branding, promoting reliability, data privacy, and ethical deployment. Partnerships with governments, cloud providers, and system integrations will further accelerate adoption. In summary, this maturity stage represents OpenAI's transformation into a global enterprise platform, ensuring long-term stability, profitability, and trust. The key factors that will define its sustained leadership in the rapid evolution AI industry. In the hypothesis decline stage, OpenAI faces the challenge of market saturation, competitive pressure, and ever evolving customer expectations. This stage doesn't significant value, but rather a natural inflection point where strategy reinvention becomes essential. The focus shifts toward repositioning the brand, innovation, new AI models, and sustaining customer loyalty. During this phase, OpenAI's primary market objectives are to repositioning OpenAI's product portfolio and re-engineer growth. The market strategies emphasize innovation, renewal, and relationship management. Marketing would pivot from performance messaging to innovation storytelling, reinforcing OpenAI reputation as a long-term leader driving responsible and transformative AI. Ultimately, the decline stage is less about contraction and more about transformation. So, continuous reinvention and strong customer engagement, OpenAI can turn potential decline into a new cycle of growth, preserving its relevance and leadership in the AI ecosystem.
Um, Thank you, Shin. So let me talk about the cultural and locational impact. Artificial intelligence adoption varies widely across cultures and regions due to difference in regulations, societal norms, and values. In some countries, stringent data privacy laws and ethical frameworks slow down AI deployment, while in others, a more open regulatory approach accelerates adoption. Localization plays a crucial role in driving acceptance. AI systems must be adopted to local languages, user behaviors, and privacy expectations to build relevance and trust. Cultural values deeply influence how people interact with AI technologies. For instance, societies that emphasize human connections may be more cautious about automation, while others may embrace AI for its efficiency. Next slide, please. Strategic challenges and competition. AI industry is evolving in unprecedented pace with innovation cycles shortening, product lifespans. This rapid development creates constant pressure to stay ahead technologically and strategically. OpenAI faces fierce competition from major players like Google, Anthropic, and Meta, each pushing boundaries in model performance and integration. Additionally, varying regulatory landscapes across regions and complexity. What is permissible is one market may not be allowed in another. Beyond these challenges, maintaining a balance between monetization and ethical use of AI remains a critical issue. Companies must assure that pursuit for profit does not compromise user trust or contribute to societal harm, making strategic foresight and adaptability essential for sustained access. Next slide. Uh, in conclusion, OpenAI's product lifecycle mirrors the broader maturity of the generative AI market. As the technology transitions from introduction and growth phase toward maturity, marketing strategies are shifting from raising awareness to emphasizing long term sustainability and responsible usage. Global expansion requires cultural sensitivity. Adapting AI tools to local languages, ethics, and values ensures deeper market penetration and acceptance. Despite the challenges, continuous innovation and renewal of AI capabilities provide fresh growth opportunities. By aligning technological advancement with ethical and cultural understanding, OpenAI can strengthen its position as a trusted global leader in generative AI landscape. Next slide. Thank you so much. Next slide. And here are all our references for the slide. Thank you. You can stop the recording.
Let me find it. I haven't found it.
You can go to